Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and we're starting with US oil. US oil. As you can see, let me resize this. I think this way is much better. So on US oil, we can see that the market is crazy, like on a very nice bullish momentum, and we even reached our resistance area. Do you see that? And it seems like it's not really going to stop there. So what can we do? We can just wait for the market to break that area before we can say, you know what, it's time for us to buy again, you see. But before we continue, please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want my contacts, obviously just check the intro. You will see the contacts there where you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. The VIP signal, the VIP signal is still $20. The signal indicator, which is very powerful, it's still $20, and the mentorship is still also $20. So here I changed the time frame to an hour, to a daily time frame, so that we can see, because this thing is really like seriously pushing to the upside, right? So while it's pushing like this, we can see that, oh, the market is actually reaching this point, and what I see is the market is already broke that area. Let me just show you that the market actually already broke that area. But what we can do is maybe we can put another thing here, another line there, or I mean a resistance there, then the other one here. So it means if the market is going to go above, you can see this, if the market is going to go above this, as we see before what happened here, if the market is going to go above this resistance, it's where we can see now it's time to buy. But please wait for the candlesticks to close above that resistance, because sometimes the market might reach here and just come back very quick. So wait for the market to close above that, and then we can just continue to buy. So don't rush on this thing. So for those who really follow my analysis, I hope maybe you did eat on this thing, because I've been talking about it like ever since on the uptrend that it was happening around this area. Every time I was updating about this type of moves, and now we reached the resistance. I remember when I talked about you when the market was still even, I think I was still around here, and that happened nicely, and now we are on that resistance. Maybe the market is going to give us another new high, because this is the new high at the moment, but I think the market is breaking that very quickly. You can see the time I was drawing the line here, the market was beat on the center, but now it seems like the market is pushing to the upside. Do you see that? So it means this thing is like seriously bullish, guys. This oil is seriously bullish, but let's wait for the market to break above that, then we can say now it's time to buy again. Or if the market is going to respect this area, we can expect the market to push lower again. Simple as that. Don't confuse yourself. So let's move to the next one. I just want to make this videos not so long, but at least maybe between 10 and 15 minutes is much better than like 26 minutes or 36 minutes, or I mean 30 minutes, you see. So now we are on gold, guys. So gold, if you go on a daily time frame, it gives us a very nice structure, which shows us that, oh, the market is actually pushing to the upside. You can see this is a very nice uptrend on a very nice 1 day or daily time frame. But we reached an area here where we can just call that a resistance. So, and it seems like the market is respecting that area, but we need to go closer and see what's really happening around there. Let's use 4 hour time, or let's just use 2 hour time frame, so that we can see exactly what's really happening. So you saw that the market was on a very nice uptrend. Now we are here. You can see that. So the market is really respecting this resistance zone here. Do you see that? The market touched here, bounced back, touched here, bounced back, touched, bounce, and now the market is like creating another inner support line here as the market bounce from this 1, 2, 3, 4. This maybe is going to be the fifth one if the market is going to respect that. But actually around this area, if maybe we see another breakout, you can keep selling. As I also sent a signal for my people to sell, then the market still pushed up, came back again. If maybe you're still holding, it seems like obviously you are in that profit, but this thing is now like trying to consolidate. Do you see that? If we try to move the market like this, you can see that the market is actually ranging. Only if the market is going to break this area. Let me just do this. If the market is going to break that, we can say, yeah, we can keep selling again, and maybe we will reach our support area around this area. But if not, maybe we will see the market pushing up again, respecting this area again. If it's not respected, we will see the market breaking that area. Wait for the market to close above that before you say you just continue, you want to buy again. Don't just rush, wait for the market to do that for you. Then you can just get in very, very nicely and safer. I hope you get that. So let's go straight to German30 or German40. So on German40 or German30, as these names are like so many now, on other brokers German40, as they added extra 10 companies. So what I see here is the market is trying to push up, guys. Do you see that? The market is trying to push up. Yesterday, the market was trying to push lower. And you can see here we have an area where we can just say, we can just call that some sort of a resistance. You can see here, some sort of a resistance. Then now the market is trying to respect this area. I hope this is going to work out. But after, if we draw up to this point, it's just giving us a wedge, so we need to be careful. Don't enter between the wedge, because mostly the market might change any direction, go up, or go down, breaking the support or breaking our resistance area and to the upside. So it means at the moment, let me just remove this and place the proper lines. Let's see. This area, you can see from this area, I need to zoom this. That it's an area where the market is respecting. So we just need to see what's really happening. Do you see that? Even this area here, you can still draw something there, because the market came there and respected the area. So it means that the market might keep pushing up, respect this area, come back again, or the market might still respect this area, as we see that the market is actually respecting that area. Do you see that? I hope you see that. Or else, if maybe the market is on a very, very strong bearish momentum, we might see the market breaking this support area and pushing to the lower side, which is going to call, we're going to call it a bearish move. So that is possible also. That is possible. So let's go straight to the next one, which is US30. Which is US30. So on US30, guys, we can see that the market was seriously on a bearish move. So firstly, let me show you on a 4-hour time frame, and so that you can understand what's really happening here. So on a 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have a structure. This structure is a very, very nice bullish momentum. You can see that the market respected these areas several times. Even now, the market is trying to respect that area. So now on this one, what can we do? Actually, we are on a very nice area to do what? To buy, even if maybe around this area it seems to be like a resistance, but actually it's a good time for us to do what? To buy. If maybe you want to be like extra safe, it means you can just wait for the market to break this area. Why? Because the market has been respecting this area for bit some time now. Remember, this is a 4-hour time frame. So but what do we know is we are still on that bullish momentum. So it means you can have something like this. If maybe you want to buy, you can just take profit up to that point, something like this, you see. So let's see this on a bit smaller time frame so that we can understand actually what's really happening very close to them. So what I see is, I still see that we have this type of a bearish momentum going lower like that. But what we can do here is, let's just place this here and say, if maybe we need to buy this thing, let's wait for the market to come after this to break this area before we say the market might push to the upside, which is also possible because the market has been like really seriously pushing to the lower side, to the lowest side. So it means now we can expect maybe the market to push up. If not, maybe we will see the market coming back again, breaking our support area, maybe pushing lower to the lowest side. So we will see that later, not today, maybe, yeah, even today maybe, but we will see what we can do when that happens. And also you can see that the market actually came back and respect this area. Maybe even here the market might come back and try to respect that area. It's way too possible for the market to do that. So don't confuse yourself. I'm still bullish on US30 as I'm very, very, very close to my support area. I hope you see that, guys. I hope you see that. So let's move to the next one, which is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq at the moment it's giving us some strong bearish momentum. What we can see here is, let's start with a 4-hour time frame so that you can see the bigger picture. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, or daily time frame maybe. I want you to see exactly what's really happening. This is what is happening at the moment. This should be like this. Do you see this? Because the market has been respecting, let me throw that. The market has been respecting this support area for some time now. And now the market actually reached that area. I think this thing here, it's supposed to be like this. Exactly. So let me remove this. So you can see that since before, you can see since November last year, you can see that the market created this type of moves. I think it's last year. Yeah, it's last year, November last year. So you can see that the market came back again around the support area. Actually, at the moment, I can say we are on a very nice buy zone, unless if the market is going to break this support, maybe to move to the lower side. But beside that, I think we are still on a very nice bullish momentum. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame and try to see what's really happening. Let's use 2-hour time frame so that we can see exactly what's really happening. So now at the moment we are on that support area. We can see that the market did not reach the support area, and the market can do that. You can see we are very, very close to that. So it means there's possibility that the market might reach this area here before pushing to the upside. But before doing that, remember, we also have a resistance on the top. So it means there's possibility that the market might come around this area and push lower again. So we are on this wedge. You can see the market respected our area for some time now. Even on the bottom, actually we are in between our support and resistance. So which means for us to buy, yes, I can say we can buy around this area if the market is not going to break the support area. Or if maybe for those who sell, maybe they can still sell here. If the market is respecting this area, maybe we will see the market going to the lowest side. But there's possibility that the market might break this area before shooting to the upside. But at the moment, we just need to wait. We are between the wedges, so there's anything can happen. The market might push up, the market might push down. So the best thing that you can do is try to relax and wait for the very nice structure to happen. Because if we can draw this and you can see they connect nicely, it means every time if you can wait, most of the time you're going to get in the right side of the market. So I hope you understand that guys. Thanks for everyone who's watching. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to be in the team, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me, my contacts. You can check my contacts on my description, or maybe check my intro. You will see those contacts, and then you can just Telegram me or WhatsApp me and make that contact. Maybe you can join the team, the VIP signal, or you can just buy the system, or maybe the mentorship if you really need my help. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Wow.